Alright y'all, so we're jumping straight into this natural hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve an invisible or a long sleek ponytail with your natural hair using clip-ins. Today I'm going to be trying out for the first time some clip-in hair extensions from Go Sleek. This is going to be their style Kinky Curly, and they have 20 inches in this style, and I did pick up their traditional clip-ins. So let's go ahead and just unbox these. I love how sleek, of course, Go Sleek, how sleek the packaging is. And also, you guys, I just have become a brand ambassador for this brand, so I will have a discount code for you guys linked down below in the description box, so that way you can check these out yourself and save some coins. So let's go ahead and get into this texture. So I do have one bundle of the Kinky Curly clip-ins, and here's just a close-up of the hair texture. So you guys, I definitely was doing a lot of like comparison, looking at a lot of different models and just other people's reviews of the different textures that they've tried out, so that way I could pick a texture that I felt was close to my natural hair texture. I will say I'm on more of the 4B side, so my hair is more of like on the wavier versus coily, so my hair tends to wave up a little bit more versus coil up. Hopefully you guys can kind of tell with my hair texture. So I felt like this Kinky Curly did give me that wavy texture as well, and just feeling the hair, like it feels super duper soft. Like I just love how it's feeling so far. And it doesn't have like a weird processed or a corn chip smell, nothing like that. So I definitely do like how it's smelling, how it's feeling. And it seems like the hair is the same density from root to tip so far, so I don't feel like I'm going to be able to like see through it. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. So I'm just going to unravel the clip-ins to see exactly how many clip-ins that I have, because I can't remember off the top of my head how many you get in the 20-inch. And also, you guys, you do get some extra backup clips in your clip-in set as well. Alright, and then the clip-ins, they are different lengths as far as width wise, like going across. So I have two 1 clips. So I have two 1 clips, so that would be something good like if you had like a bang area or like close to a part. So we have two 1 clips, so it's just 1 clip on those. And then I also have two clips, so we have 2 clips on these. So I have three clips, so we have 3 with the 3 clips on them. And then it comes with 1 4 clip. So this would definitely be one that I would use probably like in the middle of the head if I were doing a traditional install. So we have a 4 clip, so you have 1 4 clip, 3 3 clips, 2 2 clips, and 2 1 clip. 9 clips in total when you get the 20 inches. And again, this is what the texture is looking like. So it is starting to kind of like separate, and even with the curls separated, it is very defined, and I do feel like this would definitely mimic my hair if I were to do like a twist out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get into this ponytail. Alright you guys, so with this hair tutorial, I'm already going ahead and be starting off with my slick down. So if you need to know how to do a slick back bun or ponytail with your own natural hair, definitely make sure you check out that tutorial. I will have that tutorial linked in this video as well as in the description box, so that way you guys can know how to slick down your natural hair into a bun or a ponytail. So since I already have a slick ponytail, this is going to be super duper easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and take my actual ponytail with my natural hair, and I'm just going to braid the ponytail into a braid, because that's going to be the foundation for the extended ponytail. And since my puff is pretty thick, I'm actually going to split it in half. So I'm going to split it in half like this, and then braid down the sections into 2 separate braids. And the braids don't have to be perfect at all, so I'm just doing 2 braids or plaits with my ponytail. So I just took both of those single braids and I just took another rubber band to rubber band the ends of those two braids together, so that way I just have one braid. And I'm going to start with the 4 clip, and I'm just going to open up one end of the 4 clip, and I'm going to just place that into the base of the braid at the bottom. And I'm actually probably going to be clipping it on one side. So there, just like that. So I just clipped it on to the bottom of the braid. And I'm going to begin wrapping it around as if like I were going to do like a glued in or sewed in ponytail. And I'm just going to wrap it around the base until I get to the top of this section. And I'm actually going to open up this next clip. So this is like the second clip to the end to kind of clip it. As a matter of fact, no, I'm just going to keep wrapping. Let's see. Ooh. Ah. Okay. So this is not going to be as simple as I thought. Okay, y'all, so I'm actually having to clip each piece into my hair as I'm wrapping it around, so that way it stays in place. So every single clip, I'm just wrapping it around, but I'm clipping it into the braid, so that way it's nice and secure. So that's the 4 clip at the bottom. Okay. Okay, the vision is coming, it's coming, it's coming. All right. So now I'm gonna move on to the 3 clip. So with the 3 clip, again, I'm clipping it into the ponytail, and I'm just going to wrap it around. And the 3 clips, since it's a little bit shorter, I'm not able to clip that middle clip, but I am able to go ahead and clip the other end section. So that's the 3 clip in. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my next 3 clip. Okay. All right, y'all. My mama, she just reminded me that I have this amazing 3-panel mirror, and I don't know why I wasn't using it while I'm trying to sit here and record with you guys. So those last 3 clips, I just took them and clipped them forward, so that way I'm going to be able to add in my 2 clips to make sure the ponytail is full, and so that way I can see what's going on back here, because I'm just up here thugging it. So I'm going to go ahead with my 2 clip, and we're going to take care of this space right here in the middle. And since these are only 2 clips, I'm just gonna place these ones on the top side of the ponytail. This is what I have left over. 1 3 clip and then the 2 1 clips. So I'm actually gonna take a section of hair, and I have about 1 inch of hair that I took out from the bottom portion of the ponytail, and I'm going to use this to wrap around my ponytail so that way we can create that invisible illusion. So I'm just going to run my fingers through it so I can kind of smooth it out a little bit, and I'm just going to take it and wrap it around the base of my ponytail. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay, period. Alright y'all, so that is all that I have for this natural hair tutorial on how to do a long slick back ponytail with clip-ins. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this video. Would you rock this look yourself? Have you tried out clip-ins? And of course, have you checked out the Go Sleek brand? And of course, do not forget to check out the description box for my discount code so that way you can get some money off of this look. And do not forget to share this video with your beauty besties so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in the next video.